Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A14 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can take screenshots and long screenshots from our phone Samsung Galaxy A14. First of all, go to the page for which you want to take a screenshot. Here, I would like to take a screenshot from one of my web page called facultyon.com. So I type in Google like faculty on and I go to my website. This is my website, facultyon.com. This is for listing faculty and teachers' jobs in schools and colleges. Here itself, I would like to take a screenshot. For this first method, just use power button and volume down button together. These two buttons are available on the right side of our phone. Just press them together to take a screenshot. See the demo now. Yes, screenshot is taken. For taking long screenshot, what you got to do is click on the scroll icon after taking screenshot. And I show the demo. To take long screenshot, what you got to do is just press power button and volume down button together initially, and it will take a screenshot, and click on scroll icon here after taking screenshot. If you have longer page, it will extend like this. Okay. See here, I show it in the another page. I will show it in this page. Just press power button and volume down button and click on this icon, scroll icon. This is scroll icon. Okay, if you want to stop at a particular point, just click over the image and it will be stopped. Yes, this is the screenshot, long screenshots that I took using power button and volume down button. Okay, this is the first method of taking screenshot. If you want to edit this image, yes, you can do it. Just click on this edit symbol and you can do many editing options. Just you can rotate or you can mirror, whatever you want to. Here you can adjust. Okay, finally click on save. Yes, this is the edited screenshot. Then next method of taking screenshots and long screenshot. First, as usual, go to the page for which you want to take a screenshot. So here, this is the page I would like to take a screenshot, and to take a screenshot, go to settings first. Go to settings of your phone here and go to accessibility. Go to accessibility and go to interaction and texturity and turn on the button against assistant menu. Click allow. This is assistant menu. Okay, you can move it anywhere on the screen and go to the screen for which you want to take a screenshot. This is the page, and click on the assistant menu option here and you will see the screenshot icon. This is the screenshot icon. Just click it and yes, screenshot is taken. For taking long screenshot, use the same process. That is, click over the assistant menu option and click on screenshots icon there, and screenshot be taken, and click on the enlarging icon, that is scrolling icon here. Yes, this is the long screenshots that I took using assistant menu option. So in these two methods, you can take screenshots and long screenshots in your phone. First method is using power button and volume down button together, and the second method is using assistant menu option. Okay. To access these screenshots files, just you got to go to Samsung here and go to my files and go to internal storage and click on DCIM, click on screenshots. These are all the screenshots that I took using these options. So in this way also you can locate screenshots file in your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.